Are you struggling to turn your website leads into visitors? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 best lead magnets that convert your website visitors into paying customers and clients. If you're looking for practical tips to grow your email list and business, stay tuned. As a matter of fact, guys, I want you to stay around until the end, because at the end of the video, not only do we give you a bonus, but somewhere before the end, we're going to give you something for free that will help you to start generating leads in your business today. And we're also going to give you steps to a free marketing strategy to help you get the best out of your lead generating tools that you're going to learn to use today. But first, what makes a good lead magnet? A good lead magnet is anything of value that you give to your ideal customer or your ideal client that helps them solve their problem and they would pay for it. In addition to helping them solving the problems that they have, it can also educate them about possible solutions. And why do we do this? Well, we do this for two reasons. The first is that you're going to be building trust with your website visitors that contributes to them handing over their contact information, meaning that once they leave your website, you can still contact them via email, of course. And additionally, it also helps to position you as a thought leader, an expert in the field, because you're now educating them not only about the problem that they have, but the best solution that works for them. This is the foundation of a trusting relationship that leads to high-paying clients and customers. Why do we use lead magnets? 96.45% of your website visitors are not ready to make a purchase right now. What that simply means is that 96.45% of your website visitors are not ready to become customers. That's a whole lot of market to give up. The lead magnet will help you to communicate and connect with this 96.45% of your website visitors and allow you to position yourself as the leader, the trusted confidant, and friend, so that when they're ready to solve their problems, they will come to you and you will get a client and you will make the sale. The reason why lead magnets work is because, as you would realize, the lead magnet is the first step in the start of this relationship. In fact, lead magnets can boost the conversion rate of your website by 33.7%. Real quickly, take a look at Shelby DeVore from Farminense. She strategically placed lead magnets on her website and increased her conversion rate by 35%. And here's another example. Ashley Anderson, the founder of Work From Home Happiness, used a top 10 list lead magnet and increased sales of her online course by $27,000. So what are the best lead magnets for you to use in your business? Well, the first one is going to be a shocking one. It's going to actually be video. Did you know that 60% of solo entrepreneurs said that using short form video, that is videos between 15 seconds and 30 seconds in length, was their top performing lead magnet? In fact, a report suggests that it increases your conversion rates by 55.7%. So you have a smartphone, you're watching this video on a smartphone or a tablet, go ahead, pop out your camera, create a quick 15 to 30 second video for your next lead magnet. Maybe your clients and your customers will love it. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far and you find it helpful, I think you'll enjoy what we have in store for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level and get some personalized guidance, why not book a paid consultation with our team? We'll work directly with you to help you solve your specific business challenges and help you fast track your growth. It's like having a personal roadmap tailored for you. Now I get it. Maybe you're not ready for a consultation just yet. No worries, you can still benefit from our expertise by joining our email list. We'll send you free lessons packed with powerful strategies to help you grow your business. These lessons will give you actionable tips and insights straight to your inbox so you can keep learning at your own pace. So whether you're looking for personalized help or just free valuable content, there's something for everyone. Hit the link below to book a consultation with our team and to join our email list. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. The second lead magnet that you can consider using in your business are giveaways. Now, who doesn't like free stuff? Just advertise free and you'll get a whole lot of leads. And the best thing about it is that these leads are going to be engaged and active, looking out for news from you because they know that you have something of value to give them. Remember, the thing that makes a lead magnet work and why it will be helpful in a giveaway is that it helps them solve their problem, teaches them about their problem and potential solutions. And that is what's most important to them. Video giveaways. The third type of lead magnet that you should use in your business is free tools and trials. Now, you've gone to many software websites before, even Amazon Prime. How do they normally sell you on a service? They say to you, let us give you a 7, 14, or even 28-day free trial. And when you get that free trial, you enjoy the benefits of the premium service, the paid service. And very rarely do you ever cancel that free trial. Why? Well, because you've come to enjoy the benefits that you have. But even more powerful than that, you've now associated that product with being yours. Because as you know, we feel pain 3 times more intensely than we feel pleasure. And one thing that causes us pain is losing something that belongs to us. So you can give away something for free and you can also give free trials. The fourth type of lead magnet that you should use in your business are checklists. Checklists are beautiful. Checklists help your ideal client, ideal customer understand what is it that they need to have in place before they go ahead with the solution that you propose to them. Or what are some things that they need to know before they make this decision. Remember, when you use a lead magnet, your lead magnet is supposed to build trust in your ideal client or customer because they're not yet ready or willing or trust you enough to spend their hard-earned money with you. What a checklist does is that it helps to remove the fear or concern that they might have in making a decision, because now they know from an expert's opinion what they should or should not do and what they should or should not consider before they make this move. Before they buy a house, for example, what should you know? Or before you try to pay off your student loan, what should you know? Before you buy a car, what should you know? Before you hire an attorney, what are some things that you should look for? What are some of your rights that you should understand? You can see how checklists can be very powerful. The sixth type of lead magnet that is very powerful for you are free templates. Now, it's funny because on our channel here on YouTube, we tend to give away free website templates to our viewers that we work on during our tutorials on how to build a website that's going to generate clients and leads for your business. Matter of fact, we're going to link to one of those videos below, and you can go ahead and download that template and use it on your business. So not only are you learning about using free templates, but we're sharing with you the value of a website that generates clients and leads and customers for your business 24/7 by giving you one such template that would work in that case. So go ahead, check out the description below, get your free template. Now, the next 3 lead magnets are going to be very powerful because these are what we call bottom of the funnel lead magnets. These bottom of the funnel lead magnets are going to be lead magnets that push your customers, push your clients towards making that purchase, towards handing over money. The first and number 7 on the list of top 10 lead magnets that you should use in your business are case studies. What is a case study? Well, a case study is very simply a step-by-step procedure that you outline to your customers or clients of how you've solved a problem that they might be facing. For example, let's say that you are a mechanic, and this is going to be a very unique solution. You're an auto mechanic. You help cars stay on the road. You might have seen a car in a terrible accident coming from one of your clients and you've worked on that car. You might want to make a case study, and it doesn't have to be word intensive. That's a misunderstanding. It can just be a 2.5-minute video before and after of how you helped to restore that car from being basically totaled to being roadworthy again, just to outline the procedures. That's what a case study does. It shows your ideas, your methodologies, and your procedures to your ideal client. That helps them to feel more confident that you're capable and competent in doing the job, and that you can do the same thing for them, because seeing is believing, right? Another type of lead magnet that's going to push your prospects to actually making that purchase and becoming a customer or client are referral discounts. Now, how does this work? A referral discount is when you go to a website. For example, you go to a software website, you like that software, and they say to you that, you know what? If you refer someone to us, we are going to give you 20% off for everyone you refer. Or another way that they do this is by giving you cash. Now, PayPal, we all know PayPal, right? One of the reasons why PayPal got so popular is because when you started using PayPal, there was a link that you could share with your friends. And when you share this link with them, you're going to get about $20 in your account from PayPal that you can use to make purchases online. And when you, my friend, refer me to PayPal and I see that you're using PayPal, I trust PayPal more because I know someone that uses PayPal. A close friend of mine uses PayPal, so I'm more comfortable using PayPal. PayPal has borrowed credibility and trust that I have in my friend to assign to themselves. So using referral discounts in your business can be absolutely powerful in not only converting the prospect that you have, but friends of that prospect as well. Number 9, and very powerful on the list of top 10 lead magnets that you need to start using in your business is early access. Now, what is early access? So there are movies coming out also very often. We have Transformers, we have Fast and Furious, we have series, so many movies and entertainment. A way that early access could work as a lead magnet is if the movie comes out on Friday, you could give early access to your most loyal fans on Wednesday and Thursday. And it doesn't have to be at a discounted price. It can be at a premium. Now, you could see why this wouldn't work in movies because then everyone would say how good or bad the movie was, and that can be detrimental when opening week comes around. But in your business, you can use this. If you have a new offer, a new product, a new service coming up, advertise it to everyone and give early access. So if the launch date is in 2 weeks, give early access 3 days prior to the launch date to a select few. And that's going to induce scarcity. As you know, the less of something available, the more valuable it is. So that's going to induce scarcity, and you're going to get very engaged and active leads, which is very important. Not all leads are equal. These leads that you're getting are going to be very active, engaged, and potentially ready to hand over money. Number 10 on the list of top 10 lead magnets for you to use in your business is going to be a 2-part. So it's going to involve a bonus. So technically it's going to be 10 and 11. The first part of this is really 10.1, let's call it that, are going to be ebooks. Now here's an interesting statistic. According to Email Stats Center, ebooks are the most popular lead magnet type used by more than a quarter or 27.7% of marketers due to their attractiveness to potential customers. This is succeeded by 10.2, which are webinars, which exhibited an adoption rate of 44%. This is regardless of webinars or virtual events delivered live or pre-recorded. So ebooks 10.1, webinars 10.2 are the 2 most effective lead magnets that you can use to convert. And as you would realize, webinars are kind of video and ebooks answer a plethora of answers. What is this problem I'm facing? What is the best solution? What do I look for in a solution, etc. The reason why I mention ebooks and webinars is because these are 2 very popular lead magnets and we need to understand why. Well, the ebook is a book. You've read many books before, and because you've read the book, it's like consolidated knowledge on a topic. One of the best books that you can read are Alex Hormozi's books, $100 million leads, $100 million offers. The others are not yet out at this stage. And they do teach you how to put together a nice offer and how to generate leads. When you read that book, you're more inclined to do business with Alex in the future because you know him from his book and you're familiar with his work. It's the same thing with a webinar, except that a webinar can be like, you and I are interacting right now. It is video, it is personal, it is up close. And funny enough, if it's live, you can pose a question and I can answer it real time and allay your fears or doubts. So if you really want to increase sales and clients in your business, go ahead and use one of these 10 or 11 lead magnets in your business. As a matter of fact, what we're going to do is we're not just going to stop here. We're going to help you get the best out of your lead magnet. You have the website to start generating leads because we've given you the website, right? So we're giving you the website template for free in the description. If you like the template, go ahead and hit subscribe. Currently, there are over 10 templates. We're going to add more in the future. You have the website. Now you have the lead magnets to convert the website visitors to leads. Here's what I would like for you to do next. Go ahead and watch this video that teaches you everything that you should do next. Email marketing coupled with lead magnets is one of the most powerful marketing strategies that you can use in your business, because now that you've given them the lead magnet and they've given you their email address, now you want to use email marketing to build that relationship with them beyond what the lead magnet would do, and stay top of mind, meaning that whenever they're ready to make a purchase, they come to you. But how exactly does email marketing work? Watch this video right here to learn how email marketing coupled with lead generation can transform your business.